Today we will learn about multiplication and what can we use it in our life. For example, the price of a cycle is 5,350. You have to buy 7 cycles. To get the total amount of 7 cycles, we multiply 5,350 by 7. First, we multiply 7 by 0. Remember this, if any number is multiplied by 0, the answer will always 0. Now we multiply 7 by 5 is equal to 35. While 5 has product and 3 has a carry. Now we multiply 7 by 3 is equal to 21. And 3 in 21 is equal to 24. While 4 has product and 2 as a carry. Now we multiply 7 by 5 is equal to 35 and 2 in 35 is equal to 37. So that the total amount of 7 cycles is 37,450. Now we learn 3-digit multiply. It means we multiply the whole value with 3 digits. We take the value same 5,350. We multiply the value with 157. First, we multiply the whole value with 7. Multiply 7 by 0 equals to 0. 7 multiply 5 is equal to 35, but 5 as product and take 3 as a carry. Now we multiply 7 by 3 is equal to 21. And 3 in 21 is equal to 24. Right, 4 has product and take 2 as a carry. Now we multiply 7 by 5 is equal to 35 and 2 in 35 is equal to 37. Now we multiply the whole value with 5. Before doing this, we write the multiply sign down to 0. Multiply 5 by 0 is equal to 0. Multiply 5 by 5 is equal to 25. While 5 has product and take 2 as a carry. Multiply 5 by 3 is equal to 15. Add 2 and 15 is equal to 17. Write 7 as a product and take 1 as a carry. Multiply 5 by 5 is equal to 25. Add 1 and 25 is equal to 26. Now we multiply the whole value with 1. Before doing this, we write the multiply sign, 1 down the previous sign and 1 next to it. 1 multiply 0 is equal to 0. 1 multiply 5 is equal to 5. 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3. And 1 multiply 5 is equal to 5. Remember, if any number is multiplied by 1, the answer is always the number itself. Now we add these values. 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 5, 9, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, write 9 down and take 1 as a carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. So the answer of this value is this. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe the channel and not forget to click the bell icon for notification of my new videos. Thanks.